coffee in the morning. Gotta love it. Welcome to vlog number 1. Coming right up. Welcome back. Welcome to 777 Heaven. And this is our vlog. My name is Tom. My wife's name is Abby. She's not here right now. She's at work. She got called back temporarily. I'm still with this virus going on. I'm 58 days without work, but what a great time to start a vlog, right? Let me explain a little bit about our vlog. We got the name because we were married on 777, and that's July 7th. 2007, so 7 months, 7 day, and the 7th year of the 2000s. And this is our slice of heaven, and we welcome you to enjoy watching our videos we'll be putting out. And when you've seen in the opening credits, all the different cities popping up all over the place, those are some of the cities we've experienced together. Unfortunately, we only took pictures of the places, and we'll try to share some of those pictures with you. So this July will be 13 years of marriage, and we've had our ups, we've had our downs. We're still going, and we had a lot of good times, and we're hoping that when this virus is over and we can travel again, maybe we can take you along with us and show you some places, and we can have some fun together. I am originally from New Jersey. I was born there. I grew up in Pennsylvania. When I was in the military, we used to travel to the Caribbean, and we used Florida as a stop-off point. And so I've put some roots down in Florida, and here I am. And now she's here, and she is from the Philippines, and she came via Hong Kong and Canada. So she's had quite a little experience in life herself. Let me share some things that we like to do together. We do like plants. As you can see, I got some plants behind me. Basically, she loves the plants and flowers, and she wanted some indoor plants. And if I put my head just like this, it looks like I got one of those spiky hairdos. Maybe we can plant some plants in my head. Finally, I get some hair. What do you think? But she doesn't have a green thumb, she claims. I don't have one either, except when it comes to mango trees and pineapple plants, I can grow them with no problem. But we've been trying to grow, what do they call those, dragon fruit, and we've had no luck with those. They just, but anybody has any ideas on what we're doing wrong? And she also loves her orchids, so we're hoping that we can get the orchids growing. Another thing she enjoys is shopping. What Filipina doesn't enjoy shopping, right? But I like to take her to the outlet malls, all the name brand stuff there at discounted prices. We will take you there when the virus is over, when they open up finally. We'll show you how to shop properly. Another thing we enjoy is food. So basically cooking. She's a great cook. She's a better cook than me, I think, and I've had classes. She just learned from the School of Hard Knocks, which means that she learned through life. She's Filipino, so she knows a lot of Filipino recipes. She also lived in Hong Kong, so she learned a lot of Chinese ones. When she came here, I taught her a lot about American cooking, so she's quite the little chef now. We do like to go out to eat a lot, and we enjoy the restaurants. We find good deals out there, so that's why we tend to go out there, and sometimes it's cheaper for us to just go out and eat, and it's a little bit more relaxing, and we get to socialize. So we'll take you along with us when we do. Speaking of going out, not going out to a restaurant, but I need to take the dogs for a quick walk. Why don't you come along with me? So the dogs want to go for a walk. It's time to take them for a walk. A little sunny out. Let's go take some views outside of the neighborhood. all we can do. Just sit around and wait. Hey, we're back from the walk and they're off cooling down, laying on the tile floor. And Frosty is the white one. Kimchi is the brown one. Those are our two little babies. My wife loves them to death. Kimchi just celebrated her first birthday. And my wife wanted to celebrate. And people who really love their pets are like that. If you have pets, I'm sure you're doing the same thing. Probably dressing them up and, you know, give them special meals. Who knows what you guys do for your pets when you love them that much. But let me share the video with you of her first birthday. We couldn't believe what she did. So it's the puppy's first birthday, Kimchi's first birthday, and my wife decided we're gonna celebrate.
Happy birthday, Kimchi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby Kimchi. Happy birthday to you. Come on, baby. Come on, take a picture of her, huh? Kimchi, come on. Come on. Up. Come on. Okay.
Oh my gosh, she did it.
Oh, she did. Aww. She did.
Yes, she did. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video of Kimchi's first birthday. She actually blew out her nose and then did a little lick. She never got close to the candles, so she actually did blow out that candle. It surprised me. It surprised my wife too. So if you guys do stuff like that, or you know, if it's your wife or your husband, everybody loves their pets. But I know people who don't have pets don't like pets. They think that's weird. But I had to share that with you, and I'm gonna end this vlog here, and we'll do another one soon. Peace out.
Like,
Subscribe.
click the bell, please.